Hello everyone, it's Maimoona AIwali. I'm a student at Rehan College, Korangi Campus and teacher training boot camp. So today I'm talking to ChatGPT. Let's go. Hello ChatGPT, my name is Maimoona AIwali and now today I'm discuss about the future of education, how technology is transforming learning.
Hey, Maimoona, that sounds like a really exciting topic. There's so much happening, like AI-powered tutoring, virtual classrooms, even VR for immersive learning. What angle are you thinking of focusing on? Maybe a particular technology or a trend?
Now my first question is, what does the future of education look like in the digital age?
Ooh, that's a great opener. I think the future of education in the digital age is really about personalization. Like you can tailor learning to each student's pace and needs. Plus, it's super flexible. Students can access material anytime, anywhere. And of course, things like AI and AR are just going to keep transforming how we engage with knowledge.
Okay, so my next question is,
Yeah, go for it. What's your next question you'd like to explore
how
on this
is
topic?
technology changing the way students learn today?
That's a great follow up. Technology is really shifting things. Students today can interact with content in so many ways: video lectures, interactive apps, gamification, and even real time collaboration with peers across the globe. It's making learning way more engaging and accessible.
Okay, so my next question is, why is digital learning becoming more important than before?
That's a really timely question. Digital learning is becoming essential because it breaks down barriers. Students can learn from anywhere at any time, and it also keeps up with rapid changes in industries. Plus, it's also more affordable and customizable, so it can really level the playing field.
Okay, so my next question is, why is digital learning becoming more important than before?
Absolutely. So, in addition to that accessibility, digital learning also supports lifelong learning, which is huge. People can upskill or reskill easily, adapting to new careers. And, it also gives students a chance to develop digital literacy, which is so crucial in almost every field today.
Okay, so my next question is, how has online education transformed traditional classroom?
Ooh, that's a big one. Online education has really blended into traditional classrooms. It's not just supplemental anymore. Teachers are flipping their classrooms, using video lessons for prep, and then focusing class time on discussions or projects. It's really creating a more dynamic learning environment.
Classroom, and what role does technology play in personalized learning?
Yeah, great follow up. So, online education has kind of broken the one size fits all mold. Teachers can now use data and AI to track how each student is doing and then adapt lessons to fit their strengths or gaps. So, technology really helps create a more personalized, student centered experience, which is awesome.
Okay, so my next question is, how can AI support teacher in modern education?
Ooh, AI is a game changer for teachers. It can handle things like automating administrative tasks, giving real time feedback on assignments, and even suggesting resources or interventions for students who might need extra help. So it frees up teachers to focus more on what they do best: teaching and connecting with students. Smart classrooms are really changing the game. They use things like interactive whiteboards, real time polls, and multimedia content so students stay actively involved. Plus, the tech lets teachers personalize lessons on the fly, which keeps students really engaged and motivated.
Okay, so my next question is,
Yeah, I'm ready. What's your next question about the future of education or technology's role in it?
what impact does technology have on student learning speed?
Yeah, technology has a huge impact. It really broadens access to information. Students aren't just limited to textbooks, they can explore global resources, simulations, and expert talks. It also helps them develop critical thinking since they can analyze and engage with diverse perspectives.
Okay, so my next question is, how can technology help weak or slow learner improve?
That's such an important question. Technology can really level the playing field. Adaptive learning platforms, for example, can give those students extra practice at their own pace. And tools like text to speech, video tutorials, or even AI tutoring can help them grasp concepts they might struggle with. Of course. If you have any other aspects you want to explore or any other themes you're curious about, just let me know.
Okay, so
I'm
my
here.
next question is how can technology help weak or slow learner improver, and what are the benefits of using technology in education?
Yeah, absolutely. So for weak or slow learners, technology offers a lot, like personalized pacing, interactive tools, and multimedia resources that can break down complex ideas. And overall, the benefits of using technology are huge. Students engage more, teachers can tailor their instruction, and it really helps prepare everyone for a digital world.
Challenges come with technology based learning.
Yeah, that's really important to consider. Some challenges include the digital divide. Not all students have access to devices or reliable internet. Plus, it can be tough for some teachers to adapt if they're not super tech savvy. And there's always a risk of distractions. Sometimes students might wander off task if they're not disciplined about using the tech purposefully.
Okay, so my
Yeah, if
next
anything,
question is how can teacher adapt to technological change?
great question. Teachers can adapt by engaging in ongoing professional development, learning new tools, trying out tech in their classrooms, and even collaborating with other teachers. Schools can help too by providing training, tech support, and time for experimentation. So it's really a team effort.
Okay, so my next question is what skills should student learn from the future career?
That's a really forward thinking question. I think students should focus on skills like digital literacy, critical thinking, adaptability, and collaboration. Basically, being able to navigate a tech driven world, solve complex problems, and keep learning as technology evolves.
How is mobile learning changing education access?
Mobile learning is a huge game changer. It means students can learn anytime, anywhere, just from their phones or tablets. They can access lessons, resources, and even communicate with teachers on the go. So it really democratizes learning, giving more flexibility and access.
So my next question is what role do digital tools play in student creativity?
Ooh, that's a really cool angle. Digital tools are fantastic for creativity. They let students design, code, make videos, create digital art, all things that might have been harder before. And they can experiment, collaborate online, and bring their unique ideas to life in ways we couldn't before.
Okay, so my next question is how can technology manage education and influence, and what is the role of data and analyze in education?
Yeah, absolutely. Technology can personalize education by tailoring learning paths to each student's needs, so no one size fits all. And data and analytics are key. They help track progress, identify where students are struggling, and even predict outcomes, so teachers can intervene early and offer targeted support.
So my next question is how does technology support self-paced learning?
Great point. Technology really empowers self paced learning. Students can go through material at their own speed, revisit concepts, and take control of their progress. And with things like learning platforms, tutorials, and interactive quizzes, they can customize their journey, which really boosts confidence and retention.
And can technology reduce the education gap between regions?
Exactly. Technology really can help level the playing field. Students in remote or underserved regions can access the same quality content as those in big cities. AI tutoring, online courses, and virtual classrooms all bridge that gap, giving everyone a chance to succeed.
Okay, so my next question is how are virtual classrooms shaping the future of learning?
Oh, virtual classrooms are really transformative. They break down physical barriers, allowing students from anywhere to interact in real time. They foster collaboration, give access to global perspectives, and offer flexible learning options. So they're really shaping a future where students aren't limited by geography. You're very welcome. I'm really glad we got to talk about this. Take care.